Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to reset a Casio scientific calculator. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is my new Casio scientific calculator. There's the model number up here, but your Casio scientific calculator might have a slightly different model number, but the process is likely going to be very similar, if not the same, for resetting it. So pay attention, and there are a few options for resetting it as well. I'm going to start off by turning the calculator on like that. And then what we're going to look for is we're going to look for lettering on top of a button that says clear, or CLR for the abbreviation for clear. If you look right here on top of the 9, it says clear over there, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to try and access that clear. And I'll tell you about another option. If yours doesn't say clear, I'll tell you about another option towards the end of the video, so stay tuned. So the clear is in yellow lettering. So in order to clear or reset the calculator, I need to go to the yellow option, which is shift over here. So I'm going to push shift for the yellow option, and I'm going to push the number 9 for clear. And as you can see, it says, what do I want to clear? 1 is the setup, 2 is the memory, 3 is all. Let's say I wanted to clear all. I would push 3, okay? So I'm going to choose my option. I'm going to push 3, and then it's asking me, do I want to reset all? If the answer is yes, push the equal sign. If the answer is cancel or no, push the AC or the all clear button. I want to reset it, so I'm going to push equals. And as you can see, reset all, press AC key. And now we've reset everything on the calculator. It's like a brand new setup, essentially. That's basically it. Now, if yours doesn't say clear, you might look for one that says reset. So I was pointing over here, but it's over here. I'm looking through the camera and through my own eyes on my fingers at the exact same time. So it's a little bit confusing sometimes. But and I know that even that sentence doesn't even make sense, but trust me, in real life, that's how it works when I film stuff. But yeah, anyways, with that being said, if you can't find the clear button, I just did it again. If you can't find the clear button, then you want to look for like a reset or even an RST abbreviation might be the case. Look for something that signifies reset, and it should be a similar process. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.